Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install n8n on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. First of all, update your system before installing n8n. Ubuntu 26.04 includes a recent version of Node.js in its official repositories. Now, install Node.js and npm. Then, verify the installation. Next, install the latest community edition globally using npm. Now, launch n8n with the following command. By default, n8n listens on TCP port 5678. Next, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the following URL. During the first launch, you'll be asked to create an administrator account before accessing the n8n dashboard. To keep n8n running after you close the terminal or reboot the server, install pm2. Next, start n8n with pm2. Save the current process list. Continue to enable pm2 to start automatically after every system reboot. Then, run the command displayed by pm2, and save the configuration again. Finally, you have successfully installed n8n on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS.